now we got all these people coming. We're getting people excited about buying some homes. And, so next, okay, we need to set up an appointments. The main thing is that our goal is to have appointments, because people, when they attend to the event, they raise their hand, means they want to buy a house. And the time where, okay, now let's do one-on-one. And let's do a one-on-one. And, we use Calendly to do the follow-up, and I said, well, I want Sam Kennedy, Sam Kennedy, will help out to, I know the person already, so let's go and set it up where, you come in, let's say they will come in the following week at 10 o'clock in the morning for 1 hour, sit down and, create Sam word, send them a text message and a message, hey, your appointment is coming over, or whatever, so fill up those forms. I mean, I want everyone